even have to ask. You know what I bought?
Yeah. Matt's sex life.
We're gonna have to hire someone to code an entire fucking pipe every time Matt's name is used, and we have to extract that from every one of our videos.
God, that scared me. Oh, this is Ishmael's bank account.
Oh, there it is.
Come here, you fat fuck.
Grant, having an identity crisis.
You may want to run.
I am running.
Oh.
Turban.
It's Hooker.
What are you doing?
I want to get...
She's got to film him.
He's turning away. I see that massive hook. How was that for you?
Not bad.
I'm coming out tonight.